Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at two Weber grills, the Traveler B0B9V9H8XZ and the Q2800N Plus B0CS6ZD3RP. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Traveler's all about portability, right?
Exactly. It's designed to fold down and fit in the car trunk. Dimensions are 42.72 dx 43.6 inches wx 37.2 inches h, and it weighs 32 pounds. Perfect for tailgating or camping.
Makes sense. The Q2800N Plus is more of a small patio grill, I think. It's bigger at 30 dx 19.7 wx 42.8 inches h, and definitely heavier at 92.4 pounds. Not something you'd want to lug around.
True. The Traveler has a single burner with a 12,000 BTU output. It can fit about 15 burgers.
The Q2800N Plus also has one main burner, but it boasts a plus burner for extra searing power or low and slow roasting. It has a wider temp range, 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and it fits 12 burgers or 2 racks of ribs.
So the Traveler is more focused on convenience and easy transport with its all-terrain cart and one-handed setup. And it uses those small 1 lb propane tanks, although you can adapt it for a larger tank.
Right. The Q2800N Plus is more about versatility in cooking. It even has a high dome lid for cooking larger items, like whole chickens. Plus, you can get a griddle insert for it.
What about price?
Both are pretty close. The Traveler is around $449, and the Q2800N Plus is $499. So not a huge difference there.
Okay, so if I want something super portable for grilling on the go, the Traveler is the better choice. But if I want more temperature control and the ability to cook different types of food, even though it's still compact, the Q2800N Plus is better?
Absolutely. It really comes down to how you plan to use it. Do you want something you can throw in the car? Or something that stays mostly on your patio but offers more cooking options?
Got it. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.